Hello everyone, today I will show you how to craft items in Black Myth Wukong. To start crafting items, you need to first navigate and go into the shrine and offer incense. Right now, you can go and craft armor, craft medicine or craft weapons, depending on which one you have already unlocked. For example, in armor, as you can see, I already equipped and crafted 4 pieces of this armor, and these pieces of armor give me 2 bonuses. One that increases my sprint speed, and the other that increases my damage while sprinting. And it can stack up to 10 times. So it's quite powerful. So please remember to craft and equip your armor. It also increases your defense, which reduces the damage you take. To craft the armor, you use will, as in the currency of the game, and also I will show it to you at once. The resource called yarn, general armor material. Of course, the further you go, the more rare materials you will find, and they can be, of course, used to upgrade or craft better gear. The same goes for stone spirits, the resource used for crafting weapons. That's it. Thank you for watching, and please remember to comment, like and subscribe.